He speaks and stars begin to sing, to sing. Creation bows before the King.
His kingdom comes with fire and light. The earth responds with heaviness. The veil is torn, the call is loud. He walks with fire among the crowd. He lifts the weak, he shakes the ground, and sets the lost in glory sound. His voice ignites a million flames, and every need declares his name. The sound of angels fills the air as God invades the midnight prayer. He breaks the silence with his roar and opens wide the glory door. His word like lightning strikes the dark. It sets our hearts with holy spark. It ebbs the river through the skies and wakes the dead with opened eyes. He binds the chaos, lifts the flame, and dances through the sacred name. The heavens roar, the nations shake. It's time for sleepers to awake. So let his sound invade this place with power, light, and boundless grace.